Hi Cambly learners, my name is Lani, I'm a tutor on Cambly, and today you'll be learning 10 different advanced verbs that will enhance your speaking and writing skills and will make you sound more professional. So stay tuned. First of all, let's learn what a verb is. A verb is a word that describes an action, such as eat or drink, or a state, such as be or feel. Verbs tell us what the subject in a sentence does. With that in mind, let's start with our first advanced verb. Number 1, to acquire. To acquire means to learn or develop a skill, a habit, or a quality. You can also acquire, get or obtain a property, fame, or wealth, etc. Let's see some examples. New employees work hard to acquire experience. Many people desire to acquire fame or wealth. What about you? What would you like to acquire? Number 2, to conduct. To conduct means to lead, guide, or direct. You can conduct a meeting, a business, a class, an experiment, and so on. Let's see some examples. I conduct meetings every week. When I was in university, I conducted several experiments. Have you ever conducted something? Do you conduct meetings at work? Number 3, to delegate. To delegate means to assign or entrust a task or responsibility to another person, typically to someone who is in a lower position. For example, a good manager delegates tasks to his employees. What about you? Do you like delegating responsibilities or do you prefer doing everything yourself? Number 4, to excuse. To excuse means to justify, defend, or explain your actions. For example, she excused herself after arriving late to the office. He always has to excuse his poor performance at work. Have you ever excused yourself for something that you did wrong? Number 5, to inquire. To inquire means to ask for more information, to investigate. Let's see some examples. We inquired about the payment plan. I sent an email to inquire more about the project. Number 6, to persuade. To persuade means to cause or move someone to do something through reasoning and argument. Let's see some examples. The salesman persuaded his customers to sign the contract. We were persuaded to buy the house. Number 7, to procrastinate. To procrastinate means to delay or postpone doing something that you need to do or put off doing something. Let's see some examples. He procrastinated and missed the deadline. Some students procrastinate studying for their exams. What about you? Do you procrastinate? Number 8, to undergo. To undergo means to go through, experience a situation. Let's see some examples. She will undergo an operation. He underwent a complete change while he was away at college. Number 9, to withhold. To withhold means to refuse to give something that someone wants. You can withhold money, information, treatment, etc. Let's see some examples. My bank is withholding my paycheck until I send a copy of my new ID. The new laws allow you to withhold payment if you think your bill is incorrect. And number 10, let's end with a positive verb. Number 10 is to overcome. To overcome means to succeed in dealing with a problem or difficulty, to defeat or solve a problem. Let's see some examples. He overcame his fear of public speaking and became a great speaker. What about you? What challenges have you overcome while studying English? Perhaps you could say, I have overcome my shyness and feel more comfortable while speaking. That's great! Keep up the good work! Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it helps you to expand your vocabulary. For those who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me, so you can learn English anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or your computer. Schedule your next class with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.